Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Hey, we got a Toolcat, we've got rain. What are we going to do today? We're going to work in a heated, air-conditioned cab. How's this for your new office? Keyless ignition. Hydrostatic transmission, forward and reverse. You can lift that dump box. This has a 1-ton capacity. Imagine what you could move around with that. It's also got a 2-inch receiver hitch. That 2-inch receiver hitch will tow 2 tons. In addition, we can put a trailer moving plate right on the front instead of the bucket. So you could push trailers around your property. This is a handy vehicle. Separate throttle, so you can speed that up and just creep the vehicle along like if you're blowing snow. This has got a 1,500-pound rated operating capacity on this loader, and it lifts almost 7 feet in the air. I've had an 80-inch bucket on these rigs, moving wet snow. You can have a power broom, a snow blower. It's got almost 28 gallons per minute of flow through those auxiliaries on the outside, so you can move material with this machine. So simple to drive. It's got an accelerator and a brake pedal. Chances are you won't need to use the brake too often. This is the nicest cab you'll find in the industry. Look at the visibility. I can see out the side, I can see out the back. We've got stereo. Speakers are right there. Full instrument panel, all kinds of accessories on this one. Tri-State orders them with high flow because in our country people want to move snow. We've got traction control, so that's going to limit wheel spin on the front axle, just like your truck would on the rear axle. And then this has a limited slip rear differential as well. We've got turn signals. We've got road lights down below here, and then we've got off-road lights up above. It's amazing what you can get done with this machine and where you could head. You know, one of the cool features is we've got 4-wheel steer. Just to give you an idea, I'm going to go around these posts out here. Cannot turn at full speed or the full way, or else I'd pull him tighter on those posts. And you can see how close they are together. This machine will get you into spots that are not accessible with a standard skid steer loader. It will not tear up the grass because it is 4-wheel steering. See how nice and quiet it is in the cab? Nice rig. Give Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat a call. I'd love to go over the features with you. I mean, we've got high flow, we got our 4-wheel steer or 2-wheel steer mode. windshield wipers. Got a full joystick to run the loader. Room for a passenger. Room for cargo. Room for an attachment on the front. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.